Okay guys, welcome back with me again, and today I will show you how to make or how to create something cool with the trim pad, of course in After Effects, and let's go dive in. Okay, first you have to create a new layer. Okay, and we have to select a pen tool and make a shape layer here and here. It's simple shape layer, right? Just a straight line. Okay, we have moved this one to here, here. Yes, it's balanced. And you can go to the shape layer one and then select the content, and you have to select this one and add more trim pad here. Where is trim pad? Nice, and we have the trim pad here. So you go to the 10 frame here, and then at the start you can change the value at 50 and keyframe it. Okay, and same at the end to 50 again and keyframe it again. Right, nice. After that, go to 20 time frame here and change the start at 100% and end to 0%. So you can play it. Tada! And we have a cool simple animation here, so you guys, you can improve or you can change whatever you like. So for example, I want to duplicate the pad 1 here and move this pad 2 to the bottom at pad 1. So we have a 2 motion pad here. It's good, but it's not quite cool, right? So I will show you how to make a cooler than this. Check it out. Okay, go to the trim pad here and click here and change to the individually and play it, and tada! It's pretty cool, right? So if you want to make it more, go to the pad 2 and duplicate it and drag or move the part 3 under part 2 like this and play it. Whoa, that is pretty cool than before, right guys? So I hope you guys learned something in this video, and I hope this video very useful to you guys. You can make whatever you like, whatever your creativity. So I can wait to see your amazing content with this skill. So subscribe this channel and bye bye guys. See ya.